Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix double click to install in iPhone. First of all, open your app store and from here search for this anyone app and tap on gets. You as can see asking the double click to install. How to remove? First of all, go back here home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Tap on this. From here you scroll down, then tap on Face ID and passcode. Tap on this, enter your passcode. From here you as can see iTunes and App Store. What you need to do is turn off this toggle, and after that go back and open again your App Store. Try to install any one app, then tap on Gets. Enter your passcode. Wait some second. You as can see installing option, tap on install. That's it. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.